What's the meaning of aircraftman? Aircraftman. 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 Aircraftman.
Aircraftman is a term used in some countries to refer to a member of the armed forces who works in a ground-based role in support of the Air Force. It is typically an entry-level rank, and duties may include tasks such as providing support for aircraft maintenance, operating airfield equipment, or performing administrative tasks. In some cases, an aircraftman may also receive training in a specific trade or specialty. Overall, the role of an aircraftman is essential to the effective functioning of the Air Force and its operations.